Hello guys, welcome to EC Electronics. In today's video, we'll be seeing some of the graduate and also diploma recruitment updates. So if you are from any graduation background or diploma background, you can apply for these jobs. So if you are interested, please do watch this video till then. Also, if you are seeing the channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and follow us on our Instagram page. So the first recruitment we are going to see is from Accenture. It is asking for any graduation. This is actually a customer support job hiring for international chat fresher only. Graduates can apply. Okay, so only graduates can apply with 0 to 1 year of experience. Also, they have given the salary here. Okay, up to 2 lakh per annum you can get. Now, the location of job they have given is New Delhi. Gurgaon is the location of job. It is a very recent update. Let's have a look on the skills required. Telecommunication, query management skills. Qualification is any graduate, year of experience is freshers. So you have to work in night shifts and day shifts. Okay, so this is a chat support job role. This is not a voice process role. This is a chat support job role. So if you are interested, you can register and apply. Okay. The next company we are going to see is Emphasis. Now, Emphasis actually hiring a lot of people. So if you are interested, you can definitely try to work with Emphasis, or you can either go to Naukri.com or you can directly go to their career page and you can see for the updates. Okay. So Emphasis is hiring for technical support service desk. This is a voice process job. Year of experience is 0 years, means freshers, and Bangalore is a job location. Okay. Let's have a look on the job responsibilities. Identify hardware and software solutions, troubleshooting technical issues, resolving network issues. Uh, Requirements is educational requirements is freshers, any graduation or any graduate is eligible. Okay with night shifts, good written and verbal communication skill. Proficiency is operating systems like Windows, Linux, Mac OS. Then okay to work from office. You can work from office sometime, and sometimes you'll be getting work from home also. Okay, 2 days of weekly rotational. So this is the requirements, or this is the job description. So this is a voice process job. So you have to answer to the calls and queries by the customers. You have to find answers to their queries and solution to their problems. That is the job role. Okay. Next recruitment update we are going to see is for diploma candidates. Diploma graduate trainee. Reliance Industries is hiring 0 to 2 years of experience. Mumbai is a location. So here, desired candidate profile is fresh diploma trainees and graduates with BSc, BTech is also preferred. Candidate are required to have 70% in 10th, 12th diploma BTech. Candidate should have completed all semesters in the first attempt. Candidate who have completed diploma BSc, BTech 2021 are eligible for this role. Okay. So mainly they are looking for 2021 fresh candidates of diploma and graduation. Okay. Next is a recruitment update from L&T, that is Larsen and Turbo. So here they are actually having an immediate requirement for diploma freshers. So 0 to 1 years of experience. Location is Hyderabad, Secunderabad. So let's have a look on the job description and qualification in detail. So should have completed full-time diploma after SSC or equivalent. You need to have minimum 65% here. Okay. So 65% is a requirement. Now let's have a look on the job description. Making a regular check on equipment according to the planned schedule. You have to check the equipments, whether it is working or not. You have any problems with them, you have to repair it. That is the job role. Okay. Ensure the safety and procedures respect. You have to take care of the tools, assets, and records. So that is the job role here. Just click on register and apply. So the last recruitment update we are going to see is from Sutherland. So Sutherland have openings for storage technical role night shift. The location is Bangalore. So you need to have 1 to 6 years of experience. Minimum 1 year of experience if you are having, you can apply. So they are mainly looking for people with some technical knowledge. So preferably if you are a diploma candidate from electronics, triple E or EI background, or computer science IT background, you will get more preference here. Also, a graduate in the same is eligible here. Okay, so they have given that this will be a work from home job during the COVID situation. Okay, another thing, the interview process also they have given. You will be, that is, you have to attend a telephonic interview, there is no walk-ins, and you need to have good communication skills also. Okay. So the knowledge requirement is you need to have knowledge in resolving TCP/IP networking issues, NFS, CIFS, FC related issues, creating new knowledge-based articles to share information and best practices for reuse. So this is the related knowledge. Some networking related knowledge you need to have. Okay, so that is the essential requirement here. So if you are from diploma, ECEEE, OEI or computer science related backgrounds, or if you are from BTech, computer science, IT or circuital related backgrounds, you can apply here. Okay. So that's the last recruitment update, which is from Sutherland. So in this video, we have seen some of the fresher recruitment updates, also some diploma candidate job updates. So if you are interested in any of these job roles, all the links I'll be putting in description. You can check out the links and you can apply for whichever post you are interested. So that's all for today's video. I'm really hoping that you found the content useful. If yes, please do like, share, subscribe to the channel. Keep supporting the channel. That's it. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.